Okay, very good. So we're doing page 44 today, and we're doing Canada's regions. Canada's regions. And
Okay.
Zaniba, would you like to read the top part here? It says Canada is the. Can you do that part, please?
Okay. Okay, teacher. Canada is the second largest country on Earth. 10 million square kilometers, three accent, accent line Canada's frontiers, the Pacific Ocean in the west, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Arctic Ocean to the north. Along the southern edge of Canada lies the Canada-United States boundary. Both Canada and the USA are committed to safe, square, and efficient or effective frontier. That's
Yeah,
hard to
yeah, very good. Do you know what that word means, efficient? Do
efficient.
you know what that means,
That
efficient?
efficient. Efficient is like strong. No, I don't know.
What it means is it works well. Like there's no
What?
problem.
Oh, no
Yeah,
problem.
there's
No.
no problems. It works. It's fast. It's smooth, and it works well. That's what it means.
Efficient.
Efficient. Yeah, there's no problems. It's not slow. It's fast and works well. Okay, good. So let's look at just some of the ideas that will probably be in the questions. This one, the very first line, Canada is the second largest country on earth. That will be a question.
Mm,
Yeah,
yeah.
that will be a question. Second largest country on earth. What is maybe Russia is the
Russia.
largest.
Yes.
Yeah. Usually Russia is the largest country on earth. We're the second largest country on earth,
Oh,
10
this.
million square kilometers. Yeah.
Mm,
And then so three oceans surround Canada. So the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Arctic in the north. So they say sea from sea to sea to sea,
mm,
sea to sea to sea. Yeah. And then I think this will be easy for you. The southern border, Canada, the U.S. border, and it is always safe, secure. So that means there's no problems, and it's efficient. It works well.
Russia.
I try to remember some of the ideas here because there will be probably at least two questions from that.
Oh, yeah, the large one.
Largest one, the oceans, maybe the oceans,
Ocean.
and then they'll say what country borders is on Canada's southern border. They might say that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
United.
that's a pretty easy question. Yeah, that's a pretty easy one. Okay, good. So let's try the next one, the regions of Canada. These are the names of the regions of Canada. Can you just read that part, please?
Region of Canada. Canada includes many different geographian
Whoa, it's
and
really close. Again, try again. Geographic,
regions, right? Geographian.
really close. Just the end. How do you say the end? The end letters there.
Geographic, geographic,
And then what's the
geographic,
last letter?
geographic. I don't. That's. Can you finish it, teacher? Like geographic, geographic,
You're so close. Geographical.
geographic,
Geographical. Yeah, that's just an L on the end there. Yeah, very good.
geographical areas and five distant regions. The Atlantic provinces control Canada, the Prairie provinces, the West Coast, the Northern Territories.
Yeah, you can stop there. So this will be a question.
Yeah.
This will be a question. What are the five regions of Canada? So, and we will talk what's in each region later, but these are the, for now, try to remember the names of these. What are the 5 regions? The Atlantic provinces, Central. Central means the center, the middle. The Prairie provinces, the West Coast. The West Coast is easy because there's only one. It's British Columbia. That's easy. And then the Northern Territories, the Northwest Territories, Yukon, and Nunavut. Yeah, so those are the so I can tell you what's in the Atlantic provinces are Newfoundland, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island. Those are the Atlantic provinces. And then the central ones are Quebec and Ontario. So that's easy. The Prairie are Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Alberta.
Okay.
And then the West Coast is British Columbia, and that's easy. The Northern Territories are Northwest Territories, Yukon, and Nunavut. Yeah. So just try to remember the names for now, just the names of those, because that will be a question today. Okay, let's try the next one, the national capital. Could you please read that one?
Okay, national capital. Ottawa, located on the Ottawa River, was chosen as the capital in AD 57 by Queen Victoria, the great-great-grandmother of Queen Elizabeth II. Today it is Canada Fauntleys larger metropolitan
That's right. That's right. It's perfect.
area. The natural capital region is like 4. I can't see, teacher. Is
Oh, I'm sorry.
yeah 4,700 square.
And then it goes up here.
Kilometer. Surrounding squaring Ottawa surface and in this is difficult.
Doing a good job, though.
Key, I don't know that one.
Enhances
the area's multi-heritage and natural environment.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so there's about 3 or 4 questions they will ask here. Yeah, okay. So let's see. So who chose Ottawa as the national capital? Queen Victoria in 1857. The other question is, the national capital area, Ottawa, is Canada's 4th largest metropolitan area. Metropolitan just means like city, means like a big city. So the Ottawa area is the 4th largest in Canada. Okay, and then the other thing is what it does, the Ottawa area, it says it enhances the area's built heritage and natural environment. So the Ottawa, they help to they look after the buildings, the built heritage. That means the old buildings. There's many beautiful old buildings in Ottawa, and then the natural environment. That there's also very beautiful waterways and canals and parks in that area. Yeah, so that's why they say they preserve and enhances. So that means it looks after, it protects, and it enhances, it makes them better. The old buildings and the parks and the natural areas. Yeah. So the 3 things to try to remember is Queen Victoria chose Ottawa 1857. It's the 4th largest metropolitan area. And then the National Capital Region, that's all around Ottawa. It's there to protect the area's buildings and the parks. Yeah, so just try to remember those. Fine for that one. Let's do the provinces and territories. Can you read that one, please?
Okay. Canada has 10 provinces and 3 territories. Each province and territory has its own capital city. You should know the capital of your province or territory as well as that of Canada.
Yeah. So what is the capital of Ontario?
Ontario?
Yeah.
Ontario is Toronto.
Yeah, that's the capital of Ontario. Good. And then what's the capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
Yeah, very good. So you you know the capital of your province and you know the capital of Canada. Very good.
And
So there's 10 provinces and 3 territories. 10 provinces and 3 territories. Yeah, very good. So that's pretty, you know that stuff already. Now let's do the population. Can you read that part, please?
okay. Population. Canada has population of about 34 million people. Well, the majority live in cities. Canadians also live in small towns, rural. That's rural
That's right. Good. Rural.
areas and everywhere in between.
Yeah. So rural means country,
Oh,
means countryside, you know, where there's farms. So do you know St. Jacobs? Do you know that area?
and
You know, just outside of Kitchener. It's an rural just means an area where there are farms.
farms.
Yeah,
Okay.
farms and not many houses, just farms and farmhouses. That's rural. And yeah, so the thing to think about here, the population, most Canadians live in cities. Most Canadians live in cities.
Mm,
And then it says the population is 34 million. This is probably a little more now, and I think it's closer to 37 million now. But that's the range, about 34 to 37 million people live in Canada. So that's the population. So that will be a question. What is the population of Canada?
population.
So it's
Now,
either 34 or 37 million.
yeah, this.
Then the other question is, where do the majority of Canadians live? And they live in cities. That will probably be a question. Very good. I think this will be a good one. I think you'll do well with the questions on these ones. Let's
Oh,
look at page 45. I'll go down to page 45. And this is just all the different provinces and their capitals set up for you here. Okay, you see those, they break this down. They have the region, you know, the
rich.
5 regions, and then the provinces, and then the capital city of each province. Could you just read the Atlantic province ones? What are those? The different.
Okay. Atlantic province, Newfoundland and Labrador, Prince Edward Island,
Island.
Island, yeah,
Yeah,
island. The S is silent.
that's right. That's right. The Essex Island.
Of Nova Scotia. Okay, I should read together, teacher, with the St.
Yeah,
John's.
maybe do the cities when you read the province. Yeah,
Okay. Um, okay, Newfoundland and Labrador is St. John's. Province Edward Island is Charlottetown. Charlottetown.
yeah.
Nova
Charlottetown. Good.
Scotia is Halifax. New Brunswick, Fredericton.
Good. Very good. So that's Atlantic provinces. That's the first region. And the
Okay.
second region, can you tell me this region and this province and the city name?
Quebec, Quebec City, Ontario, Toronto.
Yeah, good. So that's the central Canada. That's the
That's
second region. It's called Central Canada. And then what's the third one is called the Prairie Provinces.
the
Can you read
province.
that one too?
Okay. Manitoba, Winnipeg, Saskatchewan, region. This is region.
Yeah, that one is Regina. Regina.
Regina. Okay. Alberta, Edmonton.
Yeah, very good. And then let's go down a little bit. So that's 1, 2, 3 regions. Now let's do the West Coast region. That's the 4th region.
Oh, that's British Columbia, Victoria.
Good. And then the very last region, the 5th region, Northern Territories. What's that? What,
Nunavut, equality.
that's a difficult one. Iqaluit. Iqaluit. Yeah.
Iqaluit. Yeah. Northwest Territories, Yellowknife, Yukon Territory with White Horse.
Okay, very good. So these are often a question. They say, what is the capital of each province? So see the ones you know. Do you know any of these? So you don't even have to think. So you know the capital of Ontario is Toronto. That's easy.
That's Toronto, yeah.
And you probably know the capital of Quebec is Quebec City. You probably know that.
Yeah.
You know any of the other ones? Maybe British Columbia is Victoria.
British Columbia is Victoria. That I remember, yeah. And in
Yeah, you know.
Scotia, Halifax, I know that.
Yeah, we talked about that.
Yeah.
And then St. John's for Newfoundland.
That's new for me, and St. John's.
Yeah. Then Prince Edward Island, Charlottetown.
Town, yeah, Chinatown.
And then New Brunswick, Fredericton. And then
Winnipeg is a Montabo.
yeah, Manitoba is Winnipeg.
Winnipeg.
Saskatchewan, Regina.
Edmonton.
Edmonton is for Alberta. And now these two, sometimes people get these mixed up, Northwest Territories and Yukon. How can we remember them? So Yellowknife, the Northwest Territories is Yellowknife. How can we help you remember that? Yukon. Okay, let's just think of Yukon, you're riding a horse. When you think of Yukon, just think of riding a horse.
Horse.
And that's White Horse, yeah. And the other one is Yellowknife. Yellowknife. Yeah. You think of Yukon riding a horse. Try to remember that, and that will be White Horse. And Iqaluit is easy because that's such an unusual name. That's only for one territory for Nunavut. Okay, so let's try some of these. That's all. I think that's all we're going to do for reading and stuff today. I think we'll try some questions. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Can you try this question?
This question, in terms of size, how does Canada rank? Is number 1, second largest country.
Yeah, very good. Second largest country on Earth. Very good. Okay. Now what's number 2?
Number 2 is how big is Canada? How big is Canada? Is 10 million square kilometer.
Very good.
Yeah.
10 million square kilometers. Okay, and what's this one?
Which line Canada frontier? That is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. I think teacher is like, this is Pacific Ocean is number 1. How I see Arctic Ocean is number 3 or?
Yeah, let's try number 3. I think you're right.
3.
Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Arctic. So Pacific is the west, Atlantic is the east, Arctic is the north.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Very good. And what's this one? Oops.
Hey, today no one helping me question.
No, you're getting them all your own.
Which country lays on Canada's border? Is country America? Oh, USA.
Yeah, USA.
Yes.
Good.
What are the giants of Canada? Atlantic provinces control Canada province. Mm, okay, is province number 3, teacher? West.
So remember the regions, there's 5
Oh,
regions. Yeah, the
5
regions of
yeah, 5 regions.
5 regions.
Okay. And number 1.
Yeah, number 1.
Yeah. And North Territories.
Atlantic, Central, Prairie, West Coast, Northern Territory. Okay.
What is Canada neutral capital? Ottawa, number 1.
Yeah.
Ottawa. They choose 8057.
Yeah, 1857.
Yeah, 8057.
Hmm.
Who chose Ottawa and the capital? That's choose is Elizabeth II, number 1.
So that's our queen now. She's our
Oh,
queen now.
yeah, Queen. Yes,
So
Queen.
her great grandmother.
Oh, grandmother is the Queen Elizabeth I.
No, that would be her. That would be her. No, it wasn't her.
Oh, yeah, Queen. Yeah. Oh, yes, teacher.
Yeah,
Queen Victoria,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Whenever you don't know, if it's not Queen Elizabeth, it's always Queen Victoria.
Oh, Queen is
Yeah.
Victoria is her
No. Yeah. So Queen Victoria is her great grandmother, Queen Elizabeth. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Good. What's this one?
Yes, teacher. Oh, this one, in terms of the size, how this Ottawa metropolitan area. Ottawa. Oh my God, this is that's for larger Montreal. The first answer, number
4th
1.
largest metropolitan area. Yeah, very good.
How many province and territory are there, Canada? 10 province and 3 territory. Number 2.
Very good. What's this one? Can you do this one, Zaniba? There we go.
The Wi-Fi one time is gone while I was answering, and then I saw stuck the computer.
And the Wi-Fi went.
Yeah. In Canada, each province and territory has its own capital city. Yes, true.
Yeah, true. Good. Now what's this one?
This one. What is the population of Canada? Number 2,
Yeah,
34
very good.
million people here.
34 million. Very good.
Where do
What's it?
you majority of Canadian lives? Small- In cities. Number
Yeah,
2,
and we all live in cities.
we live in city.
Very good.
Which of the following are in Atlantic province? Okay, Ontario, Nunavut. This is number 4. Yeah,
Good.
it's long.
Newfoundland, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island. Good.
It's just our teacher a little bit is long. That's why I didn't know.
Yeah, that's a that's a good idea. Usually right.
Which of the following defines central Canada? Quebec? No. Central Canada. Quebec and Ontario.
Yeah. Quebec and Ontario.
Quebec and Ontario.
Good. What's this one?
Quebec, Ontario. This one, which of the following are Prairies province? Prairie province. That's teacher. This is Prairie province.
Prairie provinces. 3 together.
And to read together.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, province. Okay, is Ontario and Ontario and Saskatchewan.
So Ontario was in the center with Quebec, remember? So it can't be
Oh,
Ontario.
yes. That's number 1 or number 2
Yeah,
or
it's number 1. Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta. Very good.
yeah,
And then this one's easy because there's only one.
only one. Okay. Which of the following has West Coast province? Wait, that is one is British Columbia. None of it.
Yeah.
British Columbia.
British Columbia. Yeah, good. That's the West province.
Because that's the one she have. Yeah.
West Coast province. Good. And then what's this? The northern Canada. The northern.
North is Nunavut, Northwest Territories, and Yukon.
Very good. Okay, now we do the capitals. Let's try some of these capitals.
Capital 2 is capital here. What is the capital of the Newfoundland?
Newfoundland and Labrador.
Newfoundland is
Newfoundland and
St. John's.
that's right. Good. Prince Edward Island.
What is down? That is number 4, Charlottetown.
Good. And then Nova Scotia.
Nova Scotia is in Halifax.
Good. Very good. New Brunswick.
New Brunswick. Where are you, New Brunswick? Is New... Where is it? Frederick? No.
Yeah.
New
Fredericton.
Brunswick. Frederick, yeah? Frederick.
Yeah, Fredericton. And then Saskatchewan.
Edmonton. Oh, it's two, Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan is Regina, number 4? Yes.
Very good. And then Quebec.
Quebec City.
Yeah.
That's the one he don't change is easy.
Ontario, the easy one.
Oh, Ontario is Toronto.
Yeah. And Manitoba.
And Manitoba is Winnipeg.
Yeah. And then Alberta.
Alberta is Edmonton.
Yeah. And then British Columbia.
Victoria. British Columbia, Victoria. Yes.
And then Nunavut.
Nunavut is equality, number 4, equality.
Okay. And Northwest Territories.
And Yellowknife.
Yeah, yeah, very good. Very good. And then Yukon.
Yukon, White Horse.
Yeah. Very good. And I'm going to stop you there. Very good.
Thank you.
You did 30